Well, hello, my name's Paul, and welcome to my kitchen. You know, I've been trying to lose weight, so I thought today we would try a dish that is kind of a healthy dish. We're going to substitute mashed cauliflower instead of mashed potatoes. This is going to be kind of a lower carb alternative. We'll see how it turns out. So let's jump right into it and try this out. Okay, so I guess if you're going to make mashed cauliflower, you're going to start with some cauliflower. And here it is. And I'm not used to working with cauliflower at all. And so I guess you want to get these flower parts off. So I don't know what else to do, but I'm going to try to cut it. And that's what it looks like. Who knew? Okay. That is kind of break off. Well, seems easy enough. Okay. Yeah, I don't have too much experience with all these healthy vegetables. I guess that's why I'm having to learn it all now and try to get that weight off. Now, me and mashed potatoes are very well acquainted. I'm just taking out these stemmy pieces. I just want the flower parts, I think. Could be wrong, but seems like that'd be the best parts. I've heard this is as good as mashed potatoes, so to be honest, I'm a little skeptical, but we're going to try it. Now I've got some water boiling over on the stove, and we're going to go pop all this in there and boil it until it's soft. Okay, as you can see here, I've had them boiling. Now I've had them boiling in there for about 10 minutes, kind of just like their potatoes. And see how easy the fork's going in. So I'm going to say that's done. Alright, I'm going to strain those out. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Alright. There's our mess of cauliflower. Now I think I'll add it to the food processor. Okay, see if we can get this in here without spilling it all. There we go. Get on in there. Alright, well, they're soft anyway. Let's get her. See what happens here. Well, it's looking pretty good. Right now it's got the consistency of mashed potatoes. It's kind of plain tasting, somewhat like a potato, you know, without salt or butter or anything. Just mashed potatoes are pretty plain. So let me get some ingredients to put in there. So I'm going to treat them just like they were mashed potatoes, I guess. And throw in a little bit of butter. I guess just season them like you would any other time. I'll throw in some butter. And I've heard some people say throw in some sour cream. So other people say throw in some yogurt. My wife has some of this plain yogurt there. And I've never had before, but I guess I'll throw in a tablespoon for good measure. I put in about a quarter stick of butter so far, and let's try that out. I'll put in a little bit of salt. Looks like potatoes too. Okay, well here it goes. Let's try a taste of it. Not bad. Really, it's pretty close. A little bit more salt. Not bad at all. Okay, so here's the finished product, and you know, it's quite a bit like potatoes. Same consistency, I'd say. And tastes pretty darn good. I can definitely see using this in place of potatoes. It's supposed to be a lot less carbs and a lot healthier for you. I was a little skeptical at first. I thought he'd have a real strong taste, but I gotta say it's not bad at all. You don't get a whole lot. This is a yield from one head of cauliflower, so it doesn't make a whole bunch. You know, if you're going to have a family of 4 eating on it, I think you're going to definitely need 2 cauliflowers, but you know, I think it's definitely worth a try. It's not bad at all. I was a little surprised. Alright, well that was something a little bit different. I thought we'd try to do something healthy here in the spirit of losing weight. Something that's low carb. It'd be fun to try it out. So as always, thanks for stopping by and watching it with me. Until next time, we'll see you soon.